Now I want to show you the integration of your virtual machines into the Azure environment with the virtual machine agents.
This next demo is going to be pretty short, which may be a little surprising to you, but it really is. Just want to show you that the kind of the key, the secret sauce, if you will, to making the Azure virtual machines integrate with Azure is a guest agent or daemon or service. And this is going to be actually installed on both your Windows virtual machines as well as your Linux virtual machines. Now, it depends on how you create them. If you're creating a new instance but using an image, it'll definitely do that, whether it's a stock image or an image you uploaded. If you've uploaded an image and you're going to use it directly as the operating system, then you need to do some prep work on that image. That's how, again, that's more of an operations thing. Okay. In any case, very simple. Here it is. I've got a Windows Server 2012 R2 virtual machine running. And if you look up at the top, you can see the IP address, and that's its public IP address within Azure. And then right down here, I've got the Windows Azure guest agent, which is running on this virtual machine. And so that's really the key to how your Windows virtual machine is going to integrate into the Azure environment. And then I've got, if I look over here, I've got an SSH session established with a Linux virtual machine using the PuTTY tool in Windows. And if I go and if I run and look at all of the processes that are running and pull out ones that have WA agent, just Windows Azure agent, you will see there are a number of Windows Azure agents that are processes that are running within the Linux machine as well. And again, this is not a Linux course, so we're not going to go deep into that. But the cool thing is, and this is what's really so powerful about this architecture, once I've got those services, those agents running in the virtual machines, then that ties them into the Azure environment. And so then things like starting and stopping and getting performance metrics out of those virtual machines is going to be really kind of trivial at that point, because the agent's going to take care of all of that. Right? And in fact, I think you can see back here, I've got a virtual machine, and you can see, which one is this? I think this is my Windows virtual machine. But you can see that I've got monitoring set up, and you can see it was turned off for a while, and now it's up there and it's running at actually a really surprisingly high CPU percentage. In any case, this information that I'm getting within Azure is coming from that agent.
To me, the agent is that component that goes a little bit under the radar that's absolutely critical. Right? This is how your Windows virtual machines, how your Linux virtual machines are really fully integrated into the Azure environment.